Welcome to the fourth episode of Prop Talk, powered by Clematis Properties. In today's episode, we will discuss how a customer should select the right real estate agent for their requirements. To discuss this in detail, I have Neha Mehra with me. Welcome, Neha, on the show.
Thank you, Sarah, for having me on the show.
My pleasure. How real estate market is showcasing itself?
So, just in one word, I would like to sum up. It's the number one. It's the wow. Not only in Middle East, but globally. We are the best and the number one destination, the most promising destination to invest. And the real estate transactions has already crossed 1800 billion mark. And with the Q3 ending now, we have already got like a 12-year high real estate transaction record. So it itself goes to show that we are the best and the most promising place to invest.
Neha, can you explain our viewers about the new project launches which just recently happened in last 2 months?
Okay, so we have got various and multiple launches happening all across UAE. But to sum up few, we have got two categories, which is off-plan and ready. In off-plan, we are coming up with beautiful community living facilities for our customers who are looking to buy townhouses and villas. The Lagoons by Damank is one of the most affordable community living that one can look at, followed by Imar, Tilal Al Gaf. And for apartments, we have Shoba, we have Azizi, we have Seven Tides, who are doing extremely well. Their offerings are extremely affordable and giving guaranteed returns on investments. So, it's actually the right time to get into this and make a right decision, timely right decision, I would say.
Great. What are your techniques in assessing clients' needs and requirements?
Sarah, for me, if you say my techniques, I just go by my rule, which is called empathetic listening. Because if I don't listen to the customer, how will I understand the need? So I listen to understand their needs, not to just sell and just push what I have. So it is more pull-based deal that I do with the customer. So empathetic listening is very important. Assessing the needs. When we say assessing the needs, understanding their family, their living style, their sources of income. Are they staying with their parents, or they are bachelor, or they have got a very small family? What is it that they're looking for? Understanding their socio-economic background, I think it's very important. For that, communication is very important with the customer. Spending time. So first few meetings, I think it is more about understanding and then create an offering for that particular customer that we are talking about.
Very nice. Neha, what do you do to gain clients' trust to do business with you?
See, I believe trust is the foundation of every relationship, be it personal or professional. So after I have understood the customer, I have assessed his needs, I have understood his family background, I have understood what is the finances he has available, what is his mortgage need. After that, I talk based on my knowledge and experience. So knowledge speaks, experience speaks. So I give data-based, fact-driven advice to my customers, which is very important, and based on this I provide him a lot of alternative solutions that we have, rather than pushing what we have to offer. So no, we don't do that. We actually give him a variety of options in which he can look. And as a real estate agent, as a real estate personnel, I believe time management is very important. We have to be punctual, attending all the meetings, being there with the customer for the viewings before him to understand our groundwork. That's very important. So these are very small things that we have to keep in mind. So one is giving him the right advice based on your knowledge and expertise, giving him the fact-based, meaningful advice. That's second. Third is punctuality, which is again very important, and giving him alternatives, which is also again extremely important for anyone to make a wise and a worthy decision for themselves. So I really focus on these 3-4 points, which really help me to build that rapport and that confidence with the customer. So it's been my type of a deal that I do with the customer. So that's about it. Yeah.
Thank you, Neha. I think after this episode, our viewers will have a fair idea how to choose and what to look for their agents. If you are interested in interacting for a property-based consultation, kindly contact Neha Mehra on the below mentioned number. Thank you. See you in the next episode of Prop Talk. Be safe and take care.